But if you want to hear the truth, stick around. I'm going to be talking about 5 different rubbish that you've been doing in 2024 that you have to leave in 2024. This is the skincare edition. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And to the new subscribers that we got, I think we got like over 40 new subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. My name is Ezine Wokike, and just a bit of a reintroduction. My name is Ezine Wokike. I currently work as an administrative executive and I studied industrial physics. However, I love to talk about makeup, beauty, wellness, and just, all round wellness and beauty tip. So if that's something that you're interested in, you want to stick around, like this video. But if you want to hear the truth, stick around. I'm going to be talking about 5 different rubbish. Isn't it? Put yourself together. Put yourself together. Here are 5 of the so many things that you've been doing in 2024 that you have to leave in 2024. This is the skincare edition. I know a lot of people have been telling you, oh, you don't bring this behavior into 2025, but this is me telling you for a fact. You see, these 5 things I'm about to list, please, we're not about to deal with this rubbish next year. Okay? Number 1, looking for clear glowing skin and yet you don't use sunscreen. You are delusional. Delulu. Okay. See, there are people, I know some people that do not wear sunscreen, their skin is so fresh and all of that. But my sister, that does not happen to be you. You have a lot of skin issues, you are using a lot of actives, and at the same time you don't want to use sunscreen, and your excuse is, I go to work in the morning, I'm in the office, what do I need sunscreen for? Drop that rubbish in the dustbin as you are crossing over into 2025. Thank you. Number 2, the people who do this one, I don't even take them seriously anymore. At this point, I do not take them seriously. Collecting and receiving and accepting skincare routine advice from like different people. You come and meet me, tell me, oh, my skin is this, what should I do? I'll tell you, okay, do this, do this, do this. Then you go, you say, what should I do? Like 5 different people are giving you 5 different advice and skincare routine, and then you don't come back to me and say, oh, but my other skincare vendor said that I should not use this one. Please stick to what she has said to you. Don't stress, don't headache me. Please, you're making it difficult for me and these other people. And you know what the Bible says when it says, if you are neither hot or cold, I will spit you out. Me, isn't it? I will spit you out. I am going to spit you. I will spit you out. Don't about stress me. I can't tell you use this. You're talking to someone that's telling you to use glycolic acid on your face during the daytime, and you're coming back to tell me my face is no. Don't do that, please. We don't have time for that next year. Thank you. Number 3, popping your acne. I thought we left that in 2017. I thought we left this one in 2017. Apparently, some people brought it into 2024, and they're about to carry it into 2025. This is me telling you, it shall not stand, neither shall it come to pass. Drop it, please. Keep your hands away from your face, leave your acne alone. Number 4, not knowing your skin type. I have done a whole video on how to know your skin type, but you have refused. You have insisted that no, this skin type thing is not for me. I don't want to know. I want you to tell me. Baby girl, you might need to put in some effort. As we're helping you need to be helping yourself. And that is why I made a video for you to learn how to know your skin type. Like I gave step-by-step approach on how to tell what your skin type is. If you've not seen that video, be on your way now. Be on your way now. Not 31st night you come and be telling me things about my face. No. Know your skin type. So when you're coming, you come correct. Oh, I have a combination skin, but this, that. Hey, I don't know where to start helping you for. Don't stress me. Thank you. The last one, this one, bombastic side eye to all of you that are guilty of it. Using retinoids and other strong actives during the day. I hate to call this person, but I'm going to call her. So I was in the office sometime and I saw a colleague of mine rubbing something on her face in the afternoon. So in my head, I'm like, oh, maybe she's reapplying her sunscreen. So I was like, what is that thing you're rubbing? Lo and behold, it's retinol. Even the people that made it said to be used only at night. But you don't listen because maybe something is inside your ear. You want to do what is in your mind. Anyway, this is me telling you, don't bring that behavior into next year. You can't be using strong acids and retinoids at night. You should know this by now. Ha! Now, wow. Please, this is just to mention a few. There are many more of these, but because I want to be like, I'm going to keep it this way. If you want more, I can give you guys more, but these 5, let's just stop at these 5. This one, we don't want to see it at all. Thank you. Bye. I hope you are not guilty of either of these things, because I've not been creating skincare related videos only for you to learn nothing. Anyway, subscribe to my channel, like this video, share it for the people who don't listen, so they can maybe hear 1 or 2 things. Bye. See you in my next video.